How to cancel a Panda Remit transaction. Follow my instructions. If you've sent money with Panda Remit but need to cancel, you should act quickly. Cancellations are only possible if your transfer has not yet been processed or paid out. Here's how to do it step by step. First, open the Panda Remit app on your phone or go to their official website. Log in using the account you used to send the transfer. From the dashboard, find the section labeled Transactions or Transfer History. Select the payment you want to cancel and check its current status. If the status says pending or processing, you may still be able to cancel it. But if it already shows completed or paid, cancellation is no longer possible. Tap on the transaction and look for a cancel or request cancellation button. Confirm your request and wait for Panda Remit to process it. If successful, the funds will be refunded back to your original payment method. If you don't see the cancel option, contact Panda Remit customer support immediately. Use the in-app chat or their official hotline for faster assistance. Be ready with your transfer ID, recipient name, and payment details. Refund times may vary depending on your bank or payment provider. In most cases, you should see the refund within 3 to 7 business days. And that's it. That's how you cancel a Panda Remit transaction quickly and safely. Thanks for watching.